Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in this its daily weather briefing program of 6 September 2021. So we will discuss what is observed in terms of rainfall over different parts of the country and what was the monsoon activity during past 24 hours. And also we will discuss synoptic systems and its forecast during next 4-5 days and associated weather over different parts of the country based on these synoptic systems during next 4-5 days. So let us begin with this slide, which is showing synoptic systems of 6 September 2021. So under the influence of yesterday's cyclonic circulation over north and adjoining east central Bay of Bengal, a low pressure area has formed over northwest adjoining west central Bay of Bengal along and off of the south Odisha north and Pradesh coast. And so this system is very likely to move west northwestwards and its remnants during next 4 or 5 days and will reach across this East Rajasthan and Gujarat area, and this will get weather this parts of this peninsular and central India, including these parts of East Rajasthan, West MP, and Gujarat areas. And we have this monsoon trough south of its normal position. It is starting from this Bikaner and passing through Jaipur, Sivni, and this then Gopalpur and to the center of this low pressure area, and dipping to the southeastwards to the east central Bay of Bengal. And we have also a cyclonic circulation this over northwest Rajasthan and adjoining areas of Punjab and Haryana area. And yesterday's cyclonic circulation of your Kutch and adjoining area now lies over northeast Arabian Sea and off this Kutch coast. And we have a significant system of this shear zone, which is passing through roughly around 18° north in lower and middle tropospheric level. In fact, it is lies between 3.1 to 7.6 kilometer above mean sea level. So these are the main synoptic systems, and this shear zone is also likely to persist over this peninsular and south peninsular India during next 4 5 days. And monsoon trough also uh, this likely to lie the south of its normal position. So these are the significant weather systems, and accordingly, if we look at this satellite imagery of today, right now between this 12 hours to 12:26 IST, we can see that under the influence of this low pressure, there is intense to very intense and cloudiness over this Bay of Bengal areas, that is West Central and including East Central also, and over this coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana area. Otherwise, only light to moderate convection over rest parts of the country. So, under the influence of this shear zone and the position of the monsoon trough and this low pressure area movement, we will expect weather over different parts of the country. So this is the monsoon activity realized during past 24 hours. We can see that this from left hand side figure, we can see that this light green or dark green color shows that most parts of the northwest India, including Gujarat and this and also over northeast India and including Gangetic West Bengal, this monsoon gives only isolated scattered rainfall. However, this parts of central and adjoining eastern India and over islands and South India, we can see that from light blue and dark blue color fairly widespread to widespread rainfall activity realized. Accordingly, monsoon was active over this South India and this Maharashtra area. Otherwise, most part of the country realized this weak to normal activity during past 24 hours. So this is the monsoon activity and rainfall activity during past 24 hours. So here we have represented rainfall activity and rainfall values more than 7 centimeter. So heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is between 7 centimeter to 20 centimeter over West Madhya Pradesh and coastal Andhra Pradesh, and heavy rainfall that is more than 7 centimeter less than 12 centimeter over Uttarakhand, Kerala, Mai, Gujarat region, East Rajasthan, Vidarbha, Telangana, Odisha, Konkan and Goa, Marathwada, Tripura, Tamil Nadu and East Uttar Pradesh. If we look at the values, different values, we can see that this coastal Andhra Pradesh, Vijayanagaram reported 18 centimeter, Srikakulam 13 centimeter. Similarly, in Uttarakhand, Chamoli reported very heavy rainfall. And these are the values, some of the significant values we have mentioned here. So this is the weather warnings issued by IMD for next 5 days. So we can see that from this orange color to red color patches, we can see that very heavy to very heavy rainfall activity is likely over these pockets. That is Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Maharashtra area, and also over coastal Karnataka on today. There is also possibility of extremely heavy rainfall at one or two places, that is more than 20 centimeter over Telangana and coastal Andhra Pradesh on today. And we can see that on tomorrow, that is on 7th September, there is a possibility of extremely heavy rainfall at one or two places over this Telangana and Konkan and Goa area and adjoining Ghat areas of Maharashtra also. And this activity will likely to continue especially during 6th, 7th and 8th, and from 9th it will concentrate only on this along the west coast, that is Konkan and Goa in Gujarat state, and on 10th it will further reduce and will concentrate it only on this Gujarat region and Saurashtra Kutch area. So in association with the movement of low pressure area and its remnant during 4 5 days, we can expect this amount of heavy rainfall during next 4 5 days. And there is also possibility of heavy episode over northwest India from 7th September onward. So we can see that from 6th itself, we can see that there is a possibility of heavy rainfall over Uttarakhand on 6th. However, after 7th, this will increase and will spread over this Himachal Pradesh and Punjab area, and on 8th it will further increase and will spread over this Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab and Haryana area, and on 9th it will persist it till 10th, and then so we can see that the price spell of northwest India is likely during this 7th September to 10th September over northwest India, and also already told that this current activity of rainfall will likely to continue during next 2 days over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and over this Maharashtra and Gujarat state during subsequent 3 days. So this is the overall weather warnings. As regards fishermen warning, we can see that along the east coast and along the west coast, there is a possibility of squally weather and strong wind of speed reaching 40 to 50 gusting to 60. Accordingly, fishermen warning has been issued for along the West Bengal coast, Odisha coast, North Andhra Pradesh coast, and also over Kerala, Karnataka, and South Maharashtra and Goa coast on today. And tomorrow on 7th, there is a possibility of continue squally weather and speed 40 to 50 gusting to 60 over this east coast, that is North Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal coast on 7th, and on 8th this will continue along the west coast also. This will further increase up to the South Gujarat. So we can say that on 7th there is a fisherman warning for South Gujarat coast and this Maharashtra coast and Goa coast and Kerala coast. And on 9th and 8th, this on 8th actually fishermen warning issued for South Gujarat and Maharashtra coast, and on 9th fishermen warning will continue for South Gujarat and Maharashtra coast on 10th as well. So these are the fishermen warnings. So we can see that for South Gujarat coast, fishermen warning is for day 2 to day 5, that is from 7th onwards, and for this South Maharashtra and Goa coast and Kerala Karnataka coast for during next 2 days, and then for whole Maharashtra coast from 8th of September onwards. So these are the present warning. As regards thunderstorm activity, light to moderate thunderstorm is likely over mainly over northeast India, joining of east and central India on 6th, and this will continue on 7th as well. However, on 8th and 9th, there is a possibility of thunderstorm activity over this northwest India, that is on 8th and 9th. This is in yellow color as on here. So this is the weather warning for next 4 5 days, and we will meet again tomorrow. Thank you.